Welcome to the Metro Minute. Let's talk about USB outlets. USB devices are everywhere. About 30% of American households have 3 or more USB devices, all of which require frequent charging. With so many USB devices in your home, from smartphones and tablets to Wi-Fi speakers, replacing your standard outlets with a USB outlet allows you the convenience to plug them directly in without using cumbersome chargers. USB outlets safely limit the amount of electricity needed for charging your device, while keeping your standard plugs open for other use. In one visit, our home electric experts can assess your needs and replace standard electrical outlets with safe, convenient, and efficient USB outlets, making your house a modern, device-friendly home. Plus, you'll get a free home electric safety inspection.
And please remember, electricity is nothing to play around with. Unless you're a trained electrician, you should never attempt to do electrical work yourself. Visit our website or call Metro Electric to learn more.
Metro Electric, MetroElectricMichigan.com. Metro Electric.